Hello students, how are you beta? Hope you all are fit and fine. So students, today we are going to revise notice writing. Students, I have given you this notice uh, and hope you all have tried this well and written in your rough notebooks. So students, let's start with a heading. You are Anila Sharma, the head girl of Modern School Allahabad. On the occasion of Children's Day, your school is organizing a magic show for the students of classes 6 to 8. Write a notice inviting the students to watch the show. Your notice should include the following information. Yes, students, in previous class we have discussed how to write down this notice. Now let's see which information should be there. Okay, that is, first one is name of the event should be there, that is magic show. Okay, then date should be there. After date beta, time and duration. Okay, time and duration should be there. And after this, place, then ticket charges, and then last day to deposit money with the class teachers. Okay, now let's see students how to write down this notice. Here is the solution of this notice beta. In the very first line, in capital letter, we have written Modern School. It's the name of school given to us in the heading. In capital letter we have written, okay, Modern School. Then city is Allahabad. Modern School Allahabad in capital letter. Then in second line we have written word notice. It's also in capital letter. We should write down in capital letter. Then date, and after date magic show, that is heading, or we can say title. Okay, these 3 points, Modern School Allahabad, notice and magic show, these all in capital letter. Now let's see how to put the information. On the occasion of Children's Day, a magic show will be held. Which event is going to held beta? A magic show. Okay, for the students of classes 6 to 8, and for whom we have to give the information. For the students of classes 6 to 8, we have to give this information on 18th of July 2020. And when we are going to organize this show? On 18th of July. And next venue is in the school auditorium. Where? In the school auditorium. It's venue from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. It's the time duration, 1 hour. Okay, and the ticket charges are rupees 10 per ticket. You can write down any ticket charges beta, or we can say any timings. Okay, whatever you like, you can change according to yourself. Don't miss the golden opportunity. Deposit money with the class teacher by 15th of July 2020. Then Anila Sharma, put your signatures as Anila Sharma. Then in capital letter name should be there, and at last head girl, that is designation of the person issuing the notice. So let's revise again beta. In the very first line we have written Modern School Allahabad, then notice, then date, and then magic. On the occasion of Children's Day, a magic show will be held for the students of classes 6 to 8 on 18th of July 2020 in the school auditorium from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. The ticket charges are rupees 10 per ticket. Don't miss the golden opportunity and deposit money with the class teacher by 15th of July 2020. Then signatures, then name, and at last head girl. Okay, so I think it's clear to you students. In the same way students, you can write down notices for science fair or any book fair or an exhibition. okay, and put your information there. You can write down any date, venue like school auditorium, school campus, school entrance hall, okay. So let's remember student some important points. First one is use capital letters for details such as names of organization or institution. Then second, the entire content of the notice is placed in a box. Then it should contain only the important information and nothing else. Means notices should be to the point. Don't write down any other unnecessary information there. Okay. Next one is always try to use passive voice. Okay, always try to use passive voice, and personal pronouns like first person or second person are not generally used, like I, we and you are not used generally. Okay, and notice is always brief, okay, to the point. Make sure you do not add any unnecessary information. Remember this thing beta, do not add any unnecessary information, and follow the word limit also, that is 50 words. And beta, while writing notice, try to use simple language, okay, simple language should be there, simple sentences should be there. And the main point, whenever you will prepare the final draft, put the notice in a box. Draw a line, okay, outside the content, and put the notice in a box. I hope students you all have understood how to write down a notice and what are the main points, which we should remember while writing the notice. So dear students, try to write down notices yourself. Okay. Thanks and have a nice day, beta. Bye bye.